My Keurig coffee machine is telling me that it is time to descale the brewer, and I'm gonna do it. Descaling is good maintenance. Go to www.keurig.com for instructions. I'm not gonna follow those instructions because I've watched before videos, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna empty this water tank completely, and then I will put maybe half, maybe more of just vinegar. Not even mix it, and let it stay for 10 minutes, and then mix it with the water and brew it through. Now water tank is empty, and I'm gonna take my filter out because it's not time yet to change the filter, and I'm not gonna run vinegar through it. So now I will brew one of the coffee cups. Just to run it through. Then I will leave it for 5 minutes in the lines in the system, and then do it again. And when it's empty, I'll just mix it with the water and then brew it again. So first cup went through. There is some little coffee remainings, and then water is vinegar is a little dark. So I'm going to just dump this into the sink, wait for 5 minutes, and do it again. After 5 minutes, I'm going to do it one more time. While I still have vinegar in it, I will do it one more time. It's preheating, so I'll do it one more time. Just because I have vinegar, I don't think so it will do any harm, but it will clean it good. Now after third cup of vinegar only, it is telling me more water please. So I'm gonna mix now half of the tank with the vinegar and the water and run it through completely, and then use only water to get vinegar smell and taste out. Vinegar is already there. I just wanted to record it and I'm doing this, and I will finish the rest with the water. And run it all the way through till it's empty. Our half tank. This will be last cup of the mixture, water and vinegar. Last cup is done. I'm going to dump all mixture out and fill it up with clear water. Okay, now tank is full, and while I was doing this, message came, time to replace the water filter. So I'm going to do that too. Just need to replace it and say yes, looks like. Even though I have a video for how to replace filter, if you subscribe to my channel you can see it. I'm gonna do that one more time. Basically what you do is pull this out and then push the filter through. Open new filter, which I got from Amazon. 6-pack I believe, I don't remember the price. But we need to rinse it with the put the water in while I am just going through with the cleaning. I'm gonna put it like this and it will soak it itself before I make any coffee, and it will clean the filter a little bit, or however you say it, soak it. So all I needed to do is put it in position here like that, and run through all this water, clear water, to get rid of vinegar smell and taste. So you can see how a filter is filling up with the water. So usually we need to just run it through the sink and make it wet, but because I'm cleaning now, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna run it through, and maybe if I feel the taste of vinegar or something, I will do that one more time. I mean one more tank of water. So here we are, new filter, clean water, full tank, run it all the way through. But I have to go through this message which says that I need to say yes, I did change filter, and looks like now I need to say that I am gonna do 10 ounces and start water. This is last of the clean water tank, and after this I'm gonna pour only water and make hot coffee for me. Okay, tank is completely empty. I'm gonna refill it with one, I believe 32 ounce bottle, and then make coffee for actually my wife first, and then we'll see does it taste good or do we need to clean more. Eight ounces, hard to zoom in, 8 ounces strong coffee, and we'll make one. Well, my wife gave me green light. She said it tastes well, it's good. I'm gonna make one for me, and that will be it. This will be my own way how to descale Keurig coffee machine. Doesn't need to be the same like everyone else, because I believe that vinegar will not damage anything if you run it first through and then mix it with the water. And if you feel that's not necessary, you can mix it to begin with, as a lot of people suggest. But this is my own way and I wanted to share it with everybody. Comments and questions will be appreciated. We can learn from each other. Thank you for watching. Till next project.